We're at the Quinta Inn and Suites in downtown Chattanooga, Tennessee. This is a pretty new hotel that opened in early 2024 to my knowledge. There's the elevators. They got Kone, surprisingly. But with that said, I'm actually staying here tonight. I was gonna stay at the Westin, but it was way too expensive. So this place had a cheap rate, so I decided to book here. But with that said, tonight we're taking a tour of room 208. So let's see what we got. Door takes a second to close. So starting off, we have the evacuation map. Some light going, here we go. And then the security department, we have the security latch, the deadbolt, do not disturb tag. And then the peephole has a cover to it. Yes, this is a connecting room. Excuse the noise right there. Here's another red flag though. It's got a barn door. How unfortunate is that? Looks like Wyndham is falling for the barn door trend, which that's kind of disappointing, but let's take a look at the bathroom, see what we got in here. First impressions, I actually like the way it looks. It's modern, seems like a nice choice of fixtures. We got a pretty large tissue box, and you can tell these are definitely just stuffed in there like that. Washcloth, we got hand soap and makeup remover wipes. Sink. See how long the hot water takes to heat up. It is taking a second. Oh, there we go, now it's heating up. Water pressure seems good. Coming down here, we have hand towels. That's just the plumbing. That door doesn't seem to shut all the way from what I can tell. Or actually, it kind of does. Toilet paper, here's the commode. Trash can. Get a good look at the shower here. It's not the biggest, but it definitely fits well, I'd say. Got a hairdryer right here. Oh, that sounded promising. Huh, it's only when you open it. Okay. There's the connecting door. Coming over here, we have a microwave. Not the biggest. Got a coffee maker down here, Hamilton Beach. Cups, lids, there's the packets and sugar. I did not mean to mess that up. We got the ice container and some plastic cups. Mini fridge. Looks pretty clean. Pretty adequately sized. Does have an overhead light. But let's take a look at the rest of the room here. We have a 2 queen, as you can see. I'm liking the look of it. For a La Quinta, this is actually quite nice and modern. I mean, this is a pretty new hotel. Right now, it's Chattanooga's newest hotel downtown, I think. Opened at the beginning of 2024, so... Let's see, we got the thermostat. Cooling at 68, it is pretty warm out, so... Hey there, focus camera. We have some hangers, a pretty good stock of them, not very many. The ironing board's in here. There's the iron, luggage rack. Good sized drawers, and there go my sunglasses. We got a lamp right here. Like the style of it. Has an outlet on there too. Pretty good sized LG flat screen TV. Looks like it has DirecTV. We got a chair over here. I guess you could theoretically put it right here for the desk. We have the AC unit right here. I'm pretty sure it's controlled by the thermostat. We got the curtains. Up that wrong way. Let's get a look outside. You can't really get much of a view, but at least you can see some mountain out there. That's the Chattanooga Hotel. Kind of see Warehouse Row right there, I guess. Not the best view though. If only we were on a higher floor, but it is what it is. These curtains, they don't seem to be blackout, so I can't tell if, interesting. We'll come check out the nightstand then, I guess. Got two lamps right here. I like the style of them. Nightstand, we have an alarm clock, USB-C, USB, and some regular outlets right here. Got the phone, notepad and pen. It's not the biggest in terms of size, but I'm sure it'll do for now. Then we got the beds. Two queens, as I said. I'm trying to take my backpack off real quick. I'm gonna get my shoes off because we're gonna test the comfiness of them. Kind of firm mattress. This pillow is pretty comfy as well. Yeah, it's a pretty comfy mattress overall. Cleanliness. I ain't seeing anything. Oh, there's a hair right here. Wonderful. I'm not seeing anything on this bed. Might as well check the other one while I'm over here. You never know, they could just turn the pillows. There could be hair on them, but I don't see any on this bed, so that's a good sign. I mean, cleanliness-wise, I actually like the look of this room. I'm not seeing very many defects. I like the style of it, very modern for a La Quinta. Of course, the red flag is this barn door. It's very unfortunate that Wyndham is following suit with that style, just like Hilton has been. But all around, the rest of this room looks really nice. I mean, I'm impressed for a La Quinta, because La Quinta is usually pretty neutral. Sometimes they're pretty crappy. Sometimes they're actually really nice. And I can definitely say that about their newer examples, because so far, I like the look of this room. Did get a relatively cheap rate here, too. Unfortunately, we usually stay at the Westin, but they were wanting like $500 a night. So, given this hotel is new and it had a relatively cheap rate, we decided to book here. But first impressions, I like this room so far. And before I end, there is something I did want to point out. When we first got to our room, we discovered that this security latch was actually out. So we couldn't even get into our room. So I have no idea how that happened. So we went down to the front desk, and guy there was super friendly. He had a really unique technique to get this thing back open. I wish I could have got it on film, but I didn't. I don't know why I didn't think of that, but I've just never had that happen before. But yeah, front desk was really friendly too and helped us get back in here. But all around, the rest of this room is really nice. And for the price, I'd say it's worth it. If you're looking for a cheap hotel downtown Chattanooga, then I think this place should suit you pretty well. It's new, pretty modern, staff are friendly, and all around, I like it. So that said, I'm gonna wrap up this video. So thank you all so much for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. It's free and you can always change your mind later. But with that said, I'll see y'all later.